Hi guys, I will show you how to turn off Windows Defender in Windows 10. I will present a few methods, so let's jump into first. Go to Start menu and search for Firewall, and under Firewall and Network Protection System Settings we will find three types of network connection, and we see that Firewall is on. By clicking any of these links, we are able to turn off Windows Defender Firewall. So let's do this. We need to approve that, and now it's off. We can do the same for the other type of connection. So the second method. Again, go to Start menu and look for Windows Defender. Going to these settings, we will see similar things, and that Windows Defender Firewall is off. Under whole panel at the bottom link, there's settings for that, and we see firewall state is off. If we turn it on and apply changes, we see that firewall is on again. The third method, we are look for firewall status, and by opening that settings, on the left side we see we can turn off or on Windows Defender. Here is option for private and public network settings. We can turn it off, and do the same other way. You are watching this video probably because you use some software which has problem to connect, but maybe better is to have firewall on, and enough is just to allow your application to connect through firewall. So this configuration you will find here. Allow an app through the firewall. It will open up the list of installed software on your device, and you can easily select and allow for private or public network connection communication through the Windows Defender Firewall. So that could be also a good solution for you. Tricky thing is that if you don't have latest updates for Windows 10, these settings will be disabled only for current session. So if you turn off firewall, after a restart your device, the settings will back to default ones. It works perfectly in latest Windows, but if you have old version, you need to go to registry and try to follow me. Local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, Windows Defender. Just right click on the Windows Defender, create a new keyword value, and type disable anti spyware. Double click on new variable and assign value from 0 to 1. That's it. I think it was clear for you and it helps you. Thanks for watching.